Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can unhide the WhatsApp profile picture. For that, you need to open the WhatsApp and then on the top right corner you can see the three dotted line. Just tap on it and then tap on settings. Here you can see the privacy option. Just tap on it and then you'll be guided to this page where you can see that my profile photo has been hidden from everyone. So just tap on the profile photo option and just tap on everyone so that everyone can see my profile photo, or else you can also tap on my contacts so that your contacts can only see your profile photo. For now I am saving into everyone so that everyone on the WhatsApp can see my profile photo. Just go back from the top left arrow and then your problem has been easily solved on this few step. If you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.